Good morning, student. Yesterday I explained you some formulas related to trigonometry. Now today we will start exercise 8.1 of trigonometry. Now see the first question. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is 24, BC is 7 centimeter. Determined sin A, cos C, sin C, cos C. So given to you a right triangle, angle B is 90 degree, AB is 24, BC is 7 centimeter. Find sin A. So by Pythagoras theorem, in right triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is given to you 24 centimeter and BC is 7 centimeter. So 24 square is 576, 7 square is 49, so it will be 625, and AC is square root 625, make it factor of 625, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, make it a pair, it become 5 into 5, that is 25 centimeter. Now find out first part, sin A, that is perpendicular to hypotenuse. I have already told you these formulas. Perpendicular is for angle A is BC, hypotenuse is AC, and its value is 7 upon 25. Now cos A, formula of cos is base upon hypotenuse. For angle A, base is AB, hypotenuse is AC. AB is 24 and AC is 25. Second part, sin C, for angle C, this was the angle A, this is the angle C. It is a perpendicular for angle C. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse, perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is AC, that is 24 upon 25. Cos C for angle C, base upon hypotenuse. For angle C, base is BC. Base is BC and hypotenuse is AC, that is 7/25. These are the 4 answers of question number first. Question number second is same as question number first. So you will do it, this question. Now let us take question number 4. This was the question first. Now question number 4. 15 cot A. 15 cot A is equal to 8. Cot A is equal to 8/15. So make it a right angle triangle. This is the angle A. Because given angle is A, you will take this angle is A. Now this taking B and C. Cot is base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. So 8/15 is base is AB, perpendicular is BC. So therefore AB is 8K, BC is 15K. Because these are trigonometric ratios, when we will take the value, that will be in multiple form, that is multiple form of K. Now in right triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is 8K square, BC is 15K square. So it is equal to 64K square plus 225K square. It becomes 289K square. AC is square root 289K square. So factor of 289s are 17 and 17. K square is K into K. So make it pair, it becomes 17K. Now find out cos A, find out sin A and sec K. Find out sin A and sec K. Now you see it, it is 8K, it is 15K, it is 17K. Sin A, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. For angle A, this is perpendicular. So it is BC hypotenuse is AC, so it is 15k upon 17k, k and k cancel, 15 upon 17. Second value, sec k is hypotenuse upon base. For angle A, hypotenuse is AC, this is the BC, this is AB, base is the AB. It will be 17k upon 8k, k and k cancel, 17 upon 8 is the answer. Now see the question number 7. If cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8, find 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, and also second part cot square theta. This is called angle theta. This is Latin word, that is theta. Now this is your right angle triangle. This angle is theta angle. This is ABC. Cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular, which is given to you 7 upon 8. Base is AB, perpendicular is BC. So AB is equal to 7k, BC is equal to 8k. In triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is 7k, BC is 8k, so it will be 49k square plus 64k square, so it will be 113k square, and AC is square root 113k square, so it can be written as k root 113. Find out the value. 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Now putting the value, how will you first you find out the sin theta? Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular, now BC is 8k, this is 7k, this is k root 113. Perpendicular is BC, hypotenuse is AC, so 8k upon k root 113. This is 8 upon root 113. Cos theta, base upon hypotenuse AB upon AC. AB is 7K, AC is K root 113, 7 upon root 113. Now find out this value. 1 plus sin theta is 8 upon root 113. 1 minus 8 upon root 113 upon 1 plus cos theta is 7 upon root 113. 1 minus 7 upon root 113. Now calculate it. This is A plus B, A minus B. It become A square minus B square. So it become 1 square minus root 8 upon root 113 square. In same way, A plus B, A minus B. So A square minus B square. 1 minus 8 upon 113, 1 minus 7 upon 113. 8 square is 64, 7 square is 49, root 113 square is root 113. Take the LCM of it, 113. So 1 divide 113 into 1, that is 113 minus 64. Also in same way, take the LCM, 113 minus 49. This cancelled it. 113 minus 64, that is 49. 113 minus 49, that is 64. So 49 upon 64. And second part, cot square theta, that is cot theta is given to you 7 upon 8 square, that is also 49 upon 64. So your homework is question number 2, question number 3 and question number 5 of exercise 8.1. Thank you. हाँ जी.